Hello everyone, welcome back to the videos. Today is Boxing Day, the day after Christmas. I got a cold leading up to Christmas, so the last few days I've just been a bit ill with a cough and a kind of blocked up head, so that wasn't ideal, but it's pretty much all but gone now, which is good. So first ride back on the bike for a few days. Feels a bit weird, but I feel much better than I have for the last few days. And yeah, we're down south seeing family for Christmas. So yeah, I've been up to all the usual family stuff, and yeah, it's been hectic as usual. It's Christmas. But today, yeah, I've got out and I'm in the Surrey Hills. So yeah, pretty famous hills near London, and I'm gonna go try and find some mountain bikey tracks to go ride my cross bike. So another great day. But now should be fun and get loose. So tomorrow we head to Belgium before my first race on the 28th, which will be Azencross in Leonhout. So start of a busy period of racing for me. And yeah, not ideal getting a cold, but it's what it is, and we'll deal with it. So we'll get out of breath here. Nice big hill. Yeah, we'll get into it. So yes, I'm in the Surrey Hills riding mountain bike trails on my cross bike, which is quite fun. But yeah, no, today it's just kind of loosen up and get the thing back after not riding my bike for 3 days. So yeah, no, it's just a bit have fun. The power numbers feel good, but I do feel like almost unfit just because I haven't ridden a bike, so my body feels a bit slow, but no, we're doing alright. I know, it's good fun exploring these hills when they come here every year, so it's good fun. Inevitable I was going to get a puncture on this type of terrain, but yeah, that's it fixed. Let's get on with it. That's where my mum and dad got married, which is pretty cool. Just cycling through Peas Lake at the moment. It's quite renowned for all the mountain bike trails around here. That trails like Brendan Fairclough, people like Brendan Fairclough ride a lot. So yeah, just gonna ride up the hill now and head back over to Cranley. Back in Cranley now. That's just up for an hour ride. Feels good to be out on the bike. So yeah, tomorrow is travelling day. Heading over to Belgium. Yeah, stay tuned for that.